TJ Maxx. Let's see what they have, guys. Okay, so they have a 2-pack reversible drying mat. That is $5.99. What is this? Okay, that's a folding draining mat. Let's see. That is $7.99. I'm just gonna scan most of this stuff for you. Look how cute, Ray done. So here it is in the black, the brush, the cleaning brushes. Let me see. That's $5.99. Oh. Okay, look at these. The scrub brushes. I like these. I don't see a price on that one. They're $5.99. So aren't they beautiful? I'm liking those, and there it is in the white. You have a lot of these felt pads for the bottom of your chairs and furniture, and black and the white. This is called a drain wig for your shower. Stainless steel disposable design. Okay, I never seen this before, but it's $4.99. Dryer balls. Look at this, sanitizing wipes. So these wipes are $5.99. I like these. So these are the mason jar dispensers. That's $4.99. Then they have this kind right there. That's $5.99. These are really pretty right here. Those are $2.99. And these are bigger. And this one here is really pretty. It says hand sanitizer. And that one is $4.99. And here's the mason jar ones. Those are $4.99. So more dispensers right here. On this wall here we have some snacks. I'll just scan that. Look how cute. Isn't this tin adorable? Oh, this is so cute. All right, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm liking that. It's almost like what it's in the first aid kit. And $14.99. How cute. And that one over there says ouch. That one has a band-aid. I'm loving that. So you have some baskets, and they come in all sizes. These wooden crates are $12.99. I'm loving that. This one stay positive. That is so cute, and I woof you. Okay, so these are made of wood, and these are already done. How cute. Okay, so these are $12.99. Let me see if I can get to the price of this one. It's a little bit bigger. $16.99. I'm liking those. You have some placemats. These are called Coastal. Those are $12.99. Very pretty. And here they are with the flamingos. There we have some aprons and some table runners. The table runners are really pretty. And the bigger baskets are along the bottom. Here's some cloth napkins. Oh, look, Mickey. Oh, look. Ray done the hand towels. Okay, so you get 2 hand towels for $6.99. That's not bad. This one says family. That one says love. And this one says hip hop. Hip hop hooray, probably. Let's see. That's all I see. Here's Minnie. And then the gloves. And the towels to match. That's adorable. Wash your worries away. Okay, faith, hope, and love. I like those. Here's some dish mats. Oh, look, the bicycle, Nicole Miller. So you get 2 of these for Valentine's Day. So you get that one with the bike and this one. And let's see, $6.99. That's so pretty. And here's the dog. That's adorable. Okay, and then these have the tassels on the bottom. Very pretty. These are for Easter. Here's the Easter bunny. So you get 2. That one is by Deborah Connolly, $5.99. And you get some more over here. Okay, kind, generous, supportive you. Teachers change the world. Teacher, so these are teacher mugs. And over here says love never fails with the scripture on those are really pretty. Love never fails. Happiness. I like those quarantine queen. These are $4.99. This one says love. $4.99. Plant lady. This is cute. That one says green tea. And back there says Mama Llama and Drama Llama. These Ray Dunn mugs are $5.99. Look, Hot Mess Express. $5.99. Plant lady green tea. And what are these? Be the change. Okay. Coffee, flour, utensils. This says oil. Let's see. $2.99. Then you have those. I'm just kind of scanning through what they have out on display. Okay, so these here, it's like soup container mugs. Those are $3.99. Here's a spoon rest. $3.99. And then you have these Disney salt and pepper shakers. These are $9.99. Look how pretty this is. Isn't this beautiful? That's rose gold. Champagne glasses. $9.99. That's so pretty. Look at them in the iridescent. Very nice. And these are the wine glasses. $9.99. And here we have some more mugs. Be still and know that I am gone. Psalm 46:10. These are monogram ones. $3.99. We can do it. Aren't those nice? Think positive, girl. She believed she could and she did. I like that. Born to teach. Essential worker. This is Goofy. $2.99 or $3.99. This one says be kind. Very nice, guys. Let's see. So over here we have some tea. That's organic green tea. $2.99. These are honey stirs. $3.99. Okay, guys, so here's some coffee. Let's see how much that is. $9.99 for this brand. Let me see, Starbucks blend, $7.99. And these are the flavors, skinny syrups. Okay. And we have some more skinny syrups over here. So this is caramel. This one is called Barrel and Bean. Skinny mixers, Luca, Dulce, white chocolate syrup. Oh look here, the skinny syrup, keto syrup with MCT oil. Okay, some coconut water along the bottom, some syrups and some spices. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to TJ Maxx just to see what they have. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.